Feeling stuck in an economic coach while your travel dreams scream for business class? Don't worry, we're here to navigate the world of credit cards and find the perfect one for you. Today, we'll unveil the secrets of two Citi cards, the Simplicity and Diamond Preferred. Let's face it, credit card debt can feel like a monster under the bed, lurking and growing with every swipe. If you're ready to slay this beast, a 0% introductory annual percentage rate on balance transfers can be your weapon of choice. But how does it work exactly? Imagine you have a credit card with a high interest rate slowly adding more and more debt to your balance. A 0% introductory APR on balance transfers with a new card is like a magic shield. You can transfer your existing debt from the old card to the new one, and for a set period, you won't be charged any interest. This gives you a golden opportunity to focus on paying down the actual balance itself without the interest charges constantly adding up. Here's the exciting part. Both the Citi Simplicity and Diamond Preferred offer a massive 21 months with 0% APR on balance transfers. That's almost 2 years of debt-crushing power. Think about the progress you could make if you put all your usual monthly payments towards the principal balance instead of interest. However, there's always a catch, and in this case, it's the balance transfer fee. Think of it as a toll booth you have to pass through to get to the debt-free highway. The fee is a one-time charge applied to the amount you've transferred. The key is to find a card with a balance transfer fee that's lower than the interest you'd be paying on your current card. Now, let's see how the two Citi cards stack up in this fee department. The Citi Simplicity offers a bit of a sweet deal for early birds. In the first 4 months of opening the account, the balance transfer fee is only 3% of the amount transferred. That's not bad at all, especially compared to some other cards. However, after those initial 4 months, the fee jumps to 5%. The Citi Diamond Preferred keeps things simple with a flat 5% balance transfer fee no matter when you transfer your debt. So, which card is cheaper? It depends on how quickly you can act. If you're ready to tackle your debt head-on and transfer your balance within the first few months, the Citi Simplicity might be the slightly more affordable option. But remember, every penny counts in the debt-fighting game. What about the late fee? We've all been there. Life throws a curveball, the important bill gets shoved under a pile of papers, and suddenly you're staring down a late fee. These fees can be brutal, often amounting to a hefty chunk of minimum payment. Late fees can also wreak havoc on your credit score, making it harder to qualify for future loans or even apartments. The Citi Simplicity card understands that sometimes forgetfulness strikes. That's why they offer a lifeline for the occasionally forgetful cardholder: no late fees. This might seem like a minor detail, but it can be a major advantage, especially if you're juggling multiple bills and deadlines. With the Simplicity card, you can breathe a little easier knowing a single missed payment won't break the bank or tank your credit score. Here's the flip side. The Citi Diamond Preferred card follows the more traditional route and charges late fees for missed payments. While these fees might not seem like a huge deal at first, they can quickly add up, especially if you tend to run behind on payments. The added stress of late fees can make it even harder to stay on top of your debt and can derail your debt-conquering mission. So, when it comes to choosing between Simplicity and Diamond Preferred for debt control, consider your financial habits. If you worry about missing due dates, Simplicity's no late fee policy can provide valuable peace of mind. Alright, enough about debt. Let's talk about using credit cards strategically to snag some travel rewards. Maybe you dream of gliding across the sky in business class, sipping champagne, and stretching out in those comfy seats. Believe it or not, some credit cards reward you with points or miles for your everyday spending, which you can then redeem for flights. Here's the thing, neither the Citi Simplicity nor the Diamond Preferred offer rewards programs. So, if luxury travel is your goal, these cards might not be the best fit. So, which card should you choose? If you're laser focused on paying off existing debt, the Citi Simplicity card might be your champion. The longer window, lower balance transfer fee in the initial months, and lack of late fees can give you a bit of breathing room. If you're a responsible card user who rarely misses payments and your main goal is to rack up rewards for travel, you'll need to look beyond these two Citi cards. There are plenty of other options out there that offer juicy rewards programs specifically designed for frequent flyers. When it comes to credit cards, it's all about finding the one that best suits your financial goals and spending habits. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare different cards before making a decision. Do you have any experience with a Citi Simplicity or Diamond Preferred cards? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.